Hi guys, in this video we will see how to show or hide found new hardware messages on your Windows 11 and 10 devices when you try to install any device or any third-party installation. Right click on start button and choose run. Here in run dialog box type the command gpedit.msc gpedit.msc and click on OK. This command will open local group policy editor in Windows 11 and 10 Home Edition only. Local group policy editor opens only Windows 11 and 10 Home Edition. Here from the left side, go to computer configuration, expand administrative templates, expand system, and here expand select device installation. Select it, thereafter go to right side, and here you will find turn off found new hardware balance during device installation. Apply a double click on it to open its properties. Turn off found new hardware balance during device installations. Then make the check against option disabled. If you want to hide, then enable it. If you want to show, then disable it. So the policy settings allow you to turn off found new hardware balance during device installation. If you enable this policy settings, found new hardware balance do not appear while a device is being installed. So finally click on apply and OK to save the changes. Don't forget to restart your system after